Hilton, Kuala Lumpur. Let's take a quick room tour. Hilton offers a luxurious and spacious accommodation. The room is quite large and is equipped with a LED TV, an iron and an ironing table which is on a wall cupboard. You have a window in each room and the blind can be adjusted as you prefer. Through the window you can see the vibrant Kuala Lumpur city. It is modern and stylish city. You have a mini bar and then a luxurious, comfortable bed with enough linen. This bed can comfortably accommodate two. The bathroom is quite large. It has a bathtub, a shower, and the toilet is separately located. This bathroom is accessible from two sides. When you exit the bathroom from the room side, you straight away get to the main area of the room and you have table with a table lamp. Like I said earlier, you can access the bathroom from the entrance as well. So this was a quick room tour of Hilton, which is very conveniently situated near KL Central Transport Hub. I will bring more videos of my Kuala Lumpur visit. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon also. See you soon.